Are you over 50 and struggling to lose stubborn belly fat without hurting your joints? Today, I'll show you a simple 10-minute Tai Chi walking routine that's safe, gentle, and surprisingly effective. Hi, welcome back! If you're wondering what is Tai Chi walking, it's a slow, mindful movement that combines walking with breathing and balance. It may look easy, but it activates your core, improves circulation, and helps your body burn fat naturally. Part 2. Basic Tai Chi Walking. Now let's begin. Tai Chi Walking. Start slowly, no rush. Stand tall. Relax your shoulders. Keep your gaze forward. Take a gentle breath in and out. Let your body feel calm and steady. Step 1. Place your right foot. Gently move your right foot forward. Not too far. Just a small, natural step. As your foot touches the ground, place your heel down first, then slowly roll your foot forward through the middle and finally to your toes. No stomping, no heavy steps. Each step should feel soft, quiet, and controlled. Slow it down. The slower, the better. Step 2. Shift your weight. Once your right foot is fully grounded, don't rush into the next step. Pause for a moment. Slowly shift your weight from your back foot to your front foot. Feel it moving through your hips into your core, helping your body stay balanced. Feel your weight moving forward. Step 3. Step with your left foot. Now that your weight is fully on your right foot, your left foot begins to move. Repeat the same process. Heel first. Roll through the foot. Shift your weight slowly. Keep the rhythm. Right. Pause. Shift. Left. Pause. Shift. Move like you're walking in slow motion. Step 4. Maintain a steady flow. Continue walking with a gentle, steady rhythm. No need to go faster. Focus on light, soft steps, calm breathing, relaxed shoulders, upright posture. Stay slow, stay balanced. Relax your body. When you move this slowly, your body begins to activate more deeply. Your core muscles engage to stabilize you. Your legs work gently, but continuously, and your balance improves over time. Slow Tai Chi walking helps engage your core and improve balance. After 50, after a few steps, just keep the rhythm steady. You don't need to do more. Just 3 minutes is enough to feel the difference. Take a deep breath and notice how stable your body feels now. Total time for Part 2. Approximately 3 minutes. Beginner-friendly, especially for adults over 50. You can repeat this section 2 to 3 times for better results. Part 3. Fat Burn Flow Sequence. Now we'll add smooth, flowing movements to help your body burn more calories. Stay relaxed. Keep your pace slow. Let your movement become more continuous, more connected. Step 1. Add gentle arm movement. As you step forward, allow your opposite arm to move naturally with your step. When your right foot steps forward, your left arm gently swings forward. When your left foot steps forward, your right arm follows. No force, no stiffness. Just let your arms flow naturally, like a pendulum. Let your arms move freely, soft and relaxed. Step 2. Coordinate your breathing. Now begin to connect your breath with your movement. Inhale as you step forward. Exhale as you shift your weight. Keep your breathing slow, gentle, and natural. No need to force it. Just let your breath guide your rhythm. Breathe in, step forward, breathe out, shift your weight. Step 3. Activate your core. As you continue walking, bring your attention to your midsection. Feel your core gently engaging with every step, with every weight shift. Not tight, not forced, just lightly active, supporting your balance. Feel your core working with each step. Step 4. Increase effectiveness safely. Now, to enhance the fat burning effect, make 2 small adjustments. Slightly bend your knees. Keep them soft, never locked. Maintain an upright posture. Head up, chest open, spine long. This helps your body stay stable, use more muscles, and burn energy more efficiently. Soft knees, tall posture, steady movement. Keep the flow going. Now just continue. Same rhythm, same gentle flow. Let everything connect. Step, arms, breath, core. Stay smooth. Stay relaxed. Keep moving. Motivation. You don't need intense workouts. You don't need to push your body to the limit. Consistency is the key. Small, gentle movements done every day can create real change after 50. Closing this section, keep your movement soft. Keep your breath calm. You're doing great. Just stay with the rhythm. Total time, approximately 4 minutes. Gentle, steady, sustainable. Fat burning zone. Repeat or combine with part 2 for a longer routine. Part 4. Mindful connection. Tai Chi Walking is not just exercise, it's meditation in motion. As you continue moving, begin to shift your focus inward. Let your practice become calmer, deeper, more connected. Step 1. Bring awareness to your breath. Let your steps stay slow, your body relaxed. Now gently bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the air coming in and flowing out. No need to control it, just observe. Allow your breath to become smooth, quiet, and steady. Focus on your breath in and out. Step 2. Stay present in each step. Now, bring your awareness to your movement. Feel each part of the step, your heel touching the ground, your foot rolling forward, your weight shifting gently. Stay with each moment instead of thinking ahead. No rushing, no distractions. Stay present in each step. If your mind starts to wander, just gently bring it back to your breath and your movement. Step 3. Connect mind and body. Now everything begins to come together. Your breath, your steps, your body, your awareness, all moving as one. This is the essence of Tai Chi. Calm movement with focused awareness. Feel the connection between your mind and your body. Benefits. When you slow down like this, your body begins to relax, your nervous system calms, your heart rate becomes steady, your muscles release tension. And here's the key. When stress is lower, your body can burn fat more effectively. Because when stress is high, your body tends to hold on to fat, especially around the belly. But when you feel calm, balanced, and relaxed, your body can finally start letting go. Lower stress helps your body reduce belly fat. Closing this section, keep walking, keep breathing. Let your body feel lighter, your mind feel clearer. Just stay here for a few more moments, calm, steady, present. Total time, approximately 1.5 minutes. A gentle reset for both body and mind. Part 5. Cool down. Let's slow it down. Now, begin to gently reduce your movement. Let your steps become smaller, slower, softer. Gradually, come to a complete stop. Step 1. Stand still and settle. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, knees slightly soft, not locked. Let your arms rest naturally by your sides or gently in front of your body. Relax your shoulders. Release any remaining tension. Cue. Just stand here and allow your body to settle. Step 2. Deep breathing. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your chest gently expand. Then slowly breathe out through your mouth. Let your body soften as you exhale. Repeat this a few times. With each breath out, feel your body becoming more relaxed, more grounded. Q. Deep breath in and slowly out. Step 3. Gentle shoulder rolls. Now, gently roll your shoulders. Lift them slightly up, roll them back, and let them drop down softly. Move slowly, no force, no tension. If it feels good, you can reverse the direction. Q. Gently roll your shoulders, release any tightness. Step 4. Full body awareness. Now become aware of your whole body. Notice how you feel. Your feet grounded on the floor. Your legs steady and supported. Your core gently engaged. Your shoulders relaxed. Your breath calm. Take a quiet moment to observe. Q. Feel your body relaxed and balanced. Closing. You've just taken time to care for your body with slow, mindful movement. And even in this short practice, your body has already begun to improve balance, reduce tension, and support gentle fat burning. Remember, it's not about doing more. It's about doing it consistently. Gentle closing. Take one more deep breath and carry this calm with you through the rest of your day. Total time for part 5, approximately 1 minute. A gentle reset to finish your practice. Calm, balanced, and refreshed. If you do this just 10 minutes a day, you'll start to feel stronger, more balanced, and more energized. Like this video, subscribe, and start your healthy journey today. See you in the next session.